Okay, so now you can see water there. Very, very important. Now, where do we get water from on Earth? Where is Earth water from?
Um,
Yes,
from the oceans, lakes, rivers,
from
oceans,
the oceans, lake, rivers, okay,
glaciers.
glaciers. Very good. If you look at the picture on the screen, you can see that 96.5% of water is from the ocean. Then we have 1.7% from the lakes, rivers, streams, and soil. And 1.7% is in the polar ice caps, glaciers, and permanent snow. And 0.001 is in water vapor in Earth's atmosphere. Can you see that the major water is from the ocean? Can you think about another place again that we get water from?
Lake.
Lake, yes. Yes. On the ground, in the soil, very good. Underground water, yes, very good. What about another one that is not on the screen now that you think about? Yes. Okay, so you can see that most major water is from the ocean. It's from the ocean. What is so unique about the ocean water? We have been talking about those things. What is so unique about the
It's salt water.
salt water? So can you say that we have only feel like 3% as fresh water? Okay. Now, where is water found on Earth? Water is found almost everywhere on Earth, and it exists in many forms. Do you know that you have water in your body too?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why I was asking.
Three-fourths of our body is water.
Yeah, because even without water in your body, you cannot even live. You cannot even cope on Earth without water. So you have a lot of water in your body. So water is found almost everywhere on Earth, and it exists in many forms. From space, it is easy to see Earth's oceans. That's the picture that you can see here now. From space, this is how the Earth looks like. And you can see it because almost everything is covered with water. Some people, they call it water planet because about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Then
The earth is flat.
it's not flat. It's spherical because it's big, it's huge. That's why you think that it's flat. No, it's not flat. Also, they cover about 70% of Earth's surface, and salt water makes up about 97% of Earth's total volume of water. For humans and for many animals, the salt dissolved in seawater makes it too salty to drink. It is also too salty to use to water crops. If you put salt in your water and you use it to water your plants, the plants will die. So you can see that the amount of water available for us is so small that we need to do what to take care of whatever of the plant water that we have. Okay. So we are going to look at some of this. Please, can everybody mute so that you can listen to me very well and the other grand noises can really go down. Okay, thank you. Okay. So when I ask you to talk, you can now talk. Now let's go on. We'll quickly look at the importance of water on Earth. Can you tell me why?
Must I mute myself?
Yes, unmute yourself now. If you want to talk, unmute yourself and talk to me. The importance of water. Why water is very, very useful and important to us. Why? Why it's very, very useful? Can tell me? You can unmute yourself now, everyone. Yes, Omar, can you talk to me?
Yes.
Yes, why water is important? Why?
Because water can help us drink and shower and...
Excellent. This morning now you have used water. You use water to brush your teeth.
To drink.
You drink water, because even without drinking water, you'll not be, even if it's your food, for preparing food, you need water to prepare food, to make chai, to make tea, to flush the bathroom. So we use water every day. So water plays an important role in many processes in the Earth system. Number one, it shapes Earth's surface and influences weather. I want somebody to tell me the meaning of this one. How does water shapes the Earth's surface? How does it shape it? You know, when we are talking about shaping, giving it different landforms, how water is doing this? Turkey, I've not heard your voice this morning.
Yes.
Yes, how does water shapes Earth's surface and affects weather? How?
Because the water, I don't know.
Try, just try. Don't worry whether it's correct or not. Just say something. You started
Because the water have a lot of salt.
a lot of salt. Yes, you're on the way.
Yes, I know.
Yes, tell me.
The oceans make up Earth's shape Earth's surface because if the oceans were not there, there would be huge gaps between the continents.
Yes, you're on the way. Good. Okay, what can make a mountain to become like a plain? What can make a mountain to become plain? Yeah, a mountain can become a plain. What can make that one to be? Or a plain can become like a valley. What can make it like that? To become like a valley. Before there was no valley, but now you see valley there. Yes. What can do that? Khalid?
Miss, you mute me, and I'm talking from out.
Okay. But I can hear your voice now.
Yeah.
Okay. So is water like flood? You know, when flood is coming and you see it flood, a lot of places, you remember the weathering and erosion. Okay. The breaking down of rock surfaces through the processes of weathering and erosion. Okay. Also, water is also essential for life. Very, very important for life. Like I told you.
Ahmed Nabhan came in.
Okay, that's good. I'm writing the names down. Okay.
I am inside. And Abdulaziz and Khalid.
Ablaziz, okay. Ablaziz, so quiet.
There's someone named Reem. Who's Reem?
That's
Amar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. Thank you. So also, only a limited amount of Earth's water that is available is about 2.5 to 3% fresh water, like I told you before. The remaining water on Earth is salt water. Almost 70% of Earth's fresh water is frozen. Even out of the 3% that is available, that is fresh water, 70% out of it is also frozen. So, and not readily available to use. Therefore, it is very, very important for us to do what? To protect our water resources. Very, very important. Okay. Now, and the reason why is that all these are not readily available for our use. Yeah, let's discuss this image. What is happening here?
There is mountains,
There's volcano.
and then there is
It's a geyser. It's a geyser.
Very good.
It's a
What-
geyser.
You see, what can you see? You see mountains, you see volcano. What again do you see there?
Where
Miss-
volcano?
a geyser,
There is no
geyser.
volcano.
What about this one?
Valley?
Oh, that.
Yeah, valley. And what shape? What brings out this shape? Can you see the shape? It's like
Erosion from the river.
yes, because when the water is coming, a lot of water is coming. Okay, as it's coming, it will carry a lot of stones, a lot of pebbles, gravels, and as it's going, it is scraping. It can be also great.
Miss,
Yes.
can I show you something?
Is it about science?
It's here. It's here. Miss, you see here?
Where?
Can you see?
Okay, this place. Yes. Tell me what is.
Yes. Is it because of the water it has pieces like this?
Yes, it's because of the water, and the process is called weathering. Okay.
Okay.
So that's a very good one. I like that.
The
So
river is solo. How does it? What is? What made it erode?
it's water. It's water. That's why we are
شلون؟
looking at the effect of water on Earth's surface, because if there's no water doing all these processes, the whole world will look the same.
Where's the water that wrote this?
Yes, the water is no longer there now, because if the water there is there, you'll not be able to see all the shapes, okay? So, and that is the reason why water, can you see, water shapes Earth's surface through weathering and erosion, and it also influences Earth's weather, okay? So it brings about different weathers on Earth's surface. Can you see this boy? What is he doing?
Why is drinking water?
He's drinking water.
No, he's drinking in a cup.
But no, maybe
But
that's
he's not even drinking. The cup is closed.
The straw is on top, okay? Everybody does this one every day. You cannot do without.
I don't do it. I do it only at 6 o'clock.
You drink water?
Yeah, because I am sawing.
Yeah, it's good. Water is very, very good for your body. You can live.
I know, but I'm fasting.
You know, you can live.
Miss, he's not even drinking. The water bottle is closed.
No, it has straw on top. The straw.
Oh, okay.
And the
And you know what? You can live without food for 40 days.
Without food?
Yeah, without food for 40 days, only taking water.
Oh, okay.
So can you see that water?
But your tummy will hurt. Miss,
We
without water.
No, with water, even you can live, because water, even you can live for like 3 months without water. So can you see that water is very, very essential for the body. Water is vital for sustaining all organisms on Earth, including you and me.
Water is a viral hack.
Yeah. Okay, we are going to look at states of water on Earth. That is, states, in what state, in what form do we have water on Earth? That's what we mean by states of water on Earth.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, yes, please.
I see there's a photo of gas, but it's still water vapor. So the gas is water?
Yeah, because
water vapor.
Yeah, water vapor.
Not
gas. It changes to gas. Yes, it changes to gas. It's still water too. It's still because it changes to gas. Okay, so we have 3 forms. When we are talking about state, okay, now you are sitting down, okay? Your state now is sitting. Then when you are standing up, does that one change you for being obedient? No, you are still the same. When you lie down, does that one change you? No. But what happens is that you change your position. So we can also say state of water on Earth also. We can also say that position of water. How does it look like? So we have 3. We have 3 states of water on Earth, okay? So, and those are the what? Liquid, gas, and solid. Liquid, gas, and solid. Those are the areas, those are the states of water that we have on Earth, okay?
Okay.
So we have the liquid. This is the liquid in form of water. You have water vapor, which is gas, and you have the ice, which is solid, okay? So you can see that the gas that we are talking about is in form of water vapor, and the liquid. Can you see it?
Yes, and the ice.
No, it's water, the ocean, everything, different things, and the solid. Can you see the solid, the ice, air? Okay. These are examples of solid, and they are all water. Okay. Now, if you look at these processes, the Earth system also contains water in two other states, gas and solid. But everything, the gas, the liquid, and the solid, all of them are water. Okay? They have the same composition. They have the same chemical formula of H2O. Sorry, I have to put this one. H2O, okay? They have the same chemical formula. It doesn't change.
Oh.
Now, let's quickly look at what changes, because they are just changing. Okay, maybe you are sitting down and you are tired. You are tired of sitting down. What do? You stand up. Okay? You change your state. You change your position. Okay? Then also maybe, you are tired of standing. I just want to lie down. You lie down on your bed.
You sit.
Can you see? You sit down, you stand up, and you lie down. Does that not change you? No.
My feet hurt, I will sit down and take my controller.
Okay. So the same thing is happening to water too. And another change, the water changes forms and changes state. Okay, changes forms and changes state. Now, how does liquid can change to gas by what? Evaporation. What makes liquid to evaporate? Who can tell me what makes water to evaporate? Hamed Labaran?
The sun's heat.
Yes. What is the sun is giving to the water? Temperature.
Heat.
Yes.
Heat.
So temperature, when temperature changes, water will change forms. Okay, the state of water will change. If there's too much temperature on the liquid, it becomes gas. Okay, and evaporate. But if the temperature, what will happen to the temperature on the water vapor to come back to liquid? Increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. Very good. Omar, are you here with us?
Yes.
Okay. So, and look at the solid here, the same thing. What will happen to the temperature? Can you see from liquid to solid, you have what? You have from liquid to solid, that's freezing. And from solid to liquid, that's melting. From liquid to gas, evaporation. And from gas to liquid, condensation. Then from gas to solid, some gas can become solid directly. That's what we call deposition. And solid, they don't change to liquid at all. They change directly to gas. That's what we call sublimation.
How?
Okay, do you understand that?
How? How?
Yeah, because what we believe is that, okay, solid must first of all change to liquid. That is, the solid must first of all melt.
Yeah.
After melting, the liquid will not evaporate and become gas. Yes, we have some substances. We have some substances that change directly from solid to gas. When the temperature increases, they change directly to gas. And we have some also, please don't write on the screen. We are recording everything. So, and also we have some gas that changes directly to solid. Gas to solid is deposition, and solid to gas is called sublimation. Now, let's quickly look at the particles inside these states of water. In solid states, the particles are together. They are compacted together. You cannot easily break them. But if you look at that of liquid, Who did this one?
You, miss, when you did H2O.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. The liquid, the particles, you can see the particles of the liquid. They are not compacted together as that of solid. Can you see? They are somehow loosened, released, okay? Look at the gas. They are what? They are floating, freely moving. And that's why it can go up. So up, that there. So example of solid here is what? Can you see the ice there? The glacier there, and the liquid is the water, okay? And the gas, that is, you have the cloud in the atmosphere. Those are the examples, state of water on Earth's surface. Who has seen this one before?
I
Me,
see.
Where? Tell us.
in my house.
Near your house?
No, joking.
Where?
Yeah,
I saw
Yes, I want to talk.
Thailand.
Maybe during vacation you saw something. I want you to tell me where you saw it.
Yeah, I almost touched it, but my father say, don't touch it.
Wow, it looks so interesting, you know?
Miss,
Yes.
I saw it in Turkey,
لا تكذب.
Okay.
in Bursa.
إيه،
والله
بورصة.
Wow.
البورصة.
Miss, there is a place in Turkey. It's called
Jibal.
Bursa.
So they have something like this there.
Yes.
Okay, that's
There
good.
is a lot of snow and
Also,
everything.
they have a hotel up in the mountain.
Okay, you know this is in form of this one. This water is in form of what state? Liquid, solid, gas. Yes, tell me which state of
Solid.
solid. Very good. But you look
Yeah,
at
liquid.
here, what is happening to it here? What is happening to this?
It's melting because of the summer.
Very good. Who said because of the
والله
Amen?
Me.
That's a very good one. Because of the sunlight. And
Scientists.
what makes it be melting because of the sunlight and because the temperature is increasing. As the temperature increases, the water molecules in the ice begin to vibrate, just enough to break free and start to flow past one another to form a liquid. So when the temperature increases here, the particles, you know the particles of solid are together, but when you increase the temperature inside the solid starts to do what? To break apart, and they start to move freely in form of liquid. Let's look at another example of state of matter of water on Earth. Yes, look at this one also.
start melting.
What picture? What is there? Can tell me what?
It's a frozen
water.
river. Frozen river.
This one.
No.
This one.
Frozen water.
Yeah, but yes. Okay. And you
But
can.
it's starting to melt.
How many of you have seen something like this before?
No.
Where?
If I see it, I will jump in it. No, I mean, I don't.
It's it's not really that good to
I don't remember what it is, but I saw like this, but it's not like big.
Yeah.
Miss,
Yes.
you know when you go ice skating, there is like this.
Yeah, at Villaggio.
Okay, yes. So you like ice skating? Have you done?
خلاص تركي وبقدر شفتوا كل شيء انتو.
That's a good one. So you know, temperature, that is, as temperatures decrease, the molecules in liquid water begin to move more slowly until they only vibrate in one place. Like this one before, it was a liquid. But because of the decrease, the temperature becoming smaller and smaller and smaller, okay? That's why you can see this water becoming frozen, okay? Until they can no longer move again. So the molecules form the rigid structure of solid water or ice, okay? So on Earth, on surface, in nature, we can still see all the three states of matter, okay? You know, we have seen the ice. Can you see this one also?
Yes, I wanted before.
Okay.
Me
But I
too.
don't know which country.
خلاص انتو بس والله.
شو دخلك أنت؟
I wanted to ask Junaid.
بدون شيء جاوبتك
Okay. So can you see now,
لا عليك شو دخلك.
liquid water, you can see that it's not rigid, it's not frozen. Okay, so what made this one to be liquid is that as the temperature, as
It's natural water. الله أحلى شيء.
this is liquid water vibrates enough that some will escape the liquid surface into the air above as water vapor. So this is example of liquid on Earth's surface. Okay. Example of what is this one? This image, you can tell us. What can you see in this picture?
I see clouds.
Clouds, very good. And what forms cloud?
Water.
Okay. So in what state? Solid,
Evaporation.
evaporation, condensation. Okay. So
Yeah.
this water in the cloud is in form of which state? Is it solid
Vapor.
or gas?
Yes.
Gas, excellent. Okay, so when you have, as water vapor rises, they eventually enter colder area, and this make them to become dense, okay, and change to liquid water droplets. That's why we have them as precipitation. After they are completely soaked, they are as precipitation. Yeah, please.
Even they have gone down. When I woke up, this one was like this here. Why?
Okay, sorry, I need to mute everyone so that the noise will go down, okay? So who can tell me more examples of where we can get solid water on Earth's surface? Where that we can get solid water on Earth's surface?
solid water on Earth's surface.
Yes, solid water on Earth's surface. Where again can we get it?
In the lake.
In the lake?
Anywhere.
Solid water, I'm talking about.
But I know, Antarctica.
Ice.
Yes, so where do we get that on Earth's surface?
From the glaciers.
Where?
Glaciers.
Yeah, very good. Where again?
Cold weather.
What?
From snowflakes.
Oh,
From
snowflakes.
snowflakes.
Okay, I will unmute all of you so that you can talk to me now. Where
We can unmute ourselves.
Yeah. Okay, no fun.
Yes, I know. Snowflakes.
Some your real life experiences, your real life experiences of states of matter. Yes. Your real life experiences. Okay, now we have even the polar area. You know, most of the polar area, they are full of solid water or ice, okay? Now, what about our place here? What type of water do we have here? Yes, tell me. What makes the water to change? What makes them to change? What makes water to change? Why do they change? Yes. What made them to change?
Because
Yes.
Because of the weather. Climate is changing.
Yes, what is changing? That's a very good one. But what is changing in the climate?
Was winter to summer.
Where? What? That's a good one, but talk to me. Yes, changes in weather, like what? What is the major element of weather that is changing?
Water.
What is changing the water from solid to liquid?
Gas.
The cold, the snow, the ice.
Yeah, what is changing it? Something is changing. What is changing it?
Water vapor.
The temperature, it's cold.
Yeah, excellent. That's what I want to.
الله يقطع ذا الوجه.
The temperature. You know, during December time, you feel cold because the temperature is low. Now we are in the summertime. Now the temperature is so high. Okay, so the temperature determines whether the water is going to be solid, liquid, or gas. Now we are going to quickly do little exercise. Okay, and let me
Do we have homeworks or no finished?
finish. Today, no homework. We just do this one together.
Or all the lessons?
Miss, but I have still. I have forgot the history and this and that.
I don't have anything. I finished
Me
it.
too.
كافي البط.
Okay. Now,
And
you should be able to answer this question. You have two options, okay? Now, water gains energy, water loses energy, okay? You tell me, in these pictures, is water gaining energy or water is losing energy? You should be able
The
to.
ice, this stick for the ice, water lose energy.
Yes. Can you explain why? Can you explain why it's losing energy? Yes?
Because it's melting.
It's melting.
صح ذكي يا عمر. Miss, I know that
Yes,
it's
anybody
melting.
want to try again?
ميمت.
This one is the water losing.
شي دخل.
because of the be melting slowly.
So is it losing energy from here or
Yeah.
gaining energy?
Losing.
As you know, the water is melting, okay? So as this water is melting, is it gaining more energy or is losing energy?
Losing energy.
It's losing energy. Why?
No, it gain energy.
كيفك؟
Gain energy, why?
حمار واحد.
Miss, yeah, it gains energy because it has
The water
kinetic energy.
It gains energy. Why? Why did you say that it gains energy?
I'll tell you why. Bس I'll tell you why.
Because it has kinetic energy when it
Yeah.
becomes water.
Wow, that's excellent. That's true. It gains energy. Very good. It gains energy. What about the water? The second picture,
Water gains energy. It gains.
it gains energy. It's correct, but why? That's a good one. Yes.
Because it's liquid water.
Gas.
Cold water. How?
Liquid. Yeah, cold
Liquid
water.
And why did you say that it gains energy?
Because it's, I don't know why.
But it's correct, okay? Let me tell you, it's correct. It gains energy. But I want you to tell me the one. Where's Omar? Khalid not talking?
عمر اختفى.
Miss, because the sun is hitting it and it's gonna become water vapor.
Yeah, and it's also moving, has more kinetic energy. Very good. What about the
Khalid is unmute and turning off his camera.
yes, this frozen lake, is it losing energy or gaining energy? Yes.
Losing energy because it's gonna become water. Miss, no, I mean gaining energy.
Is gaining energy?
Yeah.
Because it's ice.
No. It's losing energy. Because you know, it's together, they are not moving. This is a frozen lake. It cannot compare to this one that is, as it gains more energy from the temperature, is what? Is the water is melting. But here it's losing energy. What about the last picture here? Yes. What about the last picture there? What is happening there? Now I have Ahmed Labe with me.
I tell you why? Because it was water and it's being gas.
So is it losing or gaining?
Gaining.
Gaining energy.
جلابية بس.
No, it's losing energy. It's losing.
Miss
Now, can you tell me those people that are, I want to quickly take your attendance. I have Ahmed Laban,
Turkey.
هلا
Turkey,
ما عبد الله.
بدر.
yeah, Omar,
نو بدر
محمد عبد الله.
Khalid, 1, 2, 3,
محمد عبد الله.
خالد
yeah.
Khalid with us, but he's unmuted himself, muted himself, and
Then
turned off his camera.
here too.
Even Turkey. No, Khalid unmute now himself. Allah خويلد.
We are 6. With you, we are 6.
Abdulaziz came before.
No,
Yes,
but he didn't talk or nothing.
Okay.
Then he
Khalid,
left.
Okay, no problem. Do you have any question before we go on?
Yeah.
no.
Sorry.
Miss.
Yes.
Is it the last time now we finish? We don't have homeworks from today?
أيوة عشان إجازة بكرة
Yes.
اليوم إجازة.
Today is the
Okay.
last
لا بس.
vacation, okay?
مش today there is no homework.
But
بلا بلا فيه.
you just write in class,
There was before the meeting there was.
yeah?
I checked it motor before I went into the meeting.
Me too. But there is no.
Yeah. You can see your Omar, Turkey, where's Turkey? Okay, this
Here.
قسم بالله توني شايف.
Okay, Khalid, that's good.
Science.
Okay,
اي
بس last كده.
that brings us to the end of
هذا حق أمس.
class.
حق أمس.
Thanks for me. Do you have any
I
other
am سنت.
question again?
مش أشكال
بعد راسك كبير لا تسولف.
اسكت.
مس
الله عصام.
اي والله صح حق
يلا.
امس بس انه متاخر ما لامس متاخر وسؤال واحد.
سؤال واحد
Now
ها.
it's not showing his face. Okay, I wish you all the best. Enjoy your holiday and Ramadan Kareem. Keep safe.
تركي
Don't
تلعب.
go out. Stay at home
أنا لو عليك.
and make sure that you
أنا
use
ما ألعب.
مين يلعب يا الربع؟
you can
مين
learn
يلعب؟
things online.
تركي
Okay,
تلعب.
you can learn new skills.
تركي تلعب.
You can do a lot of.
كلمنا على الديسكورد تركي كلمنا على الديسكورد الحين.
You can do.
محمد بعد لا أنا وتركي ها نلعب.